Hi, my name is Patty and I am a patient of Dr. Chica, and I've been a patient of hers for a few years now. I met her 7 or 8 years ago when she helped my daughter with a neck injury with her ozone and PRP injections. And then I didn't need her for a while, but then I went through an episode where my parents were in a car accident and my father was killed, and I had a total immune system shut down, and she ended up having to help me after that to restore my immune system. And during that process, I've had several different types of crises happen, and each time I come to her, she is what I consider to be my doctor. I prefer to go to her first. One of those things that happened to me was, I had a tooth that went bad on me, and at the same time I was having irregular heartbeats, and I came to her and she did acupuncture for me. And she also has been doing injections in my tooth, which was, two dentists wanted to pull my tooth, but I came to her and we started doing the injections. And as of right now, we're about 1.5 years later, and my tooth feels perfect. It still needs some cosmetic surgery on the top, but the root is very solid and strong, and I can now even chew on that tooth. All the swelling is gone. And so she's basically saved my tooth. And also the ozone has gone and spread through the gums, and I can see that my gums look better than they were. Another thing that happened was earlier this year I started experiencing asthma attacks in the middle of the night due to some conversations that I had with someone from my past, and it kind of stirred up some emotions. So again, she helped me with that with acupuncture, and she spent about 3 hours with me doing acupuncture and emotional trauma release techniques that she has, and I have not had any asthma attacks since then. And if I do, she has shown me some pressure points, and I'm a nutritional therapist, so I know how to work with the food that I'm eating also to stop that, but she's definitely helped to stop that problem that I was having. My mother died about 22 months after my father was killed in the car accident, and I kind of went into a brain fog for a while, and after she started doing the ozone injections in my jaws, I felt like my brain started thinking more clearly again, and she kind of woke me up from a long period of depression. So I'm very happy for her. I have some notes here. I send a letter from my friends to her for multiple reasons, and it doesn't seem like there's anything that she can't help them with. And I like the fact that all of her therapies are natural and that they encourage the body to heal, and I'm all for that. So I will continue seeing her in the future for as long as I'm alive, and as long as she's in town, for pretty much anything that I come across in my future. But I really appreciate Dr. Chica and what she's done for me. And I feel like I'm at the healthiest in my life, and I don't think I could have gotten back to here without her. So I highly recommend Dr. Claudia Chica.